Peace, Ali, coming at you on behalf of sallyMyers.com. And I just want to make a real quick video to let my YouTube audience know that I'm back teaching live workshops online. And the first one I'm bringing back is the Spiritual Business Starter Workshop. So if you're a counselor, healer, you're a spiritual teacher, you're creative, you make stuff, and you're wanting to put yourself out there, you're wanting to market yourself, you want to establish an authority, you want to build a following, you want people to support your venture. In this workshop, I lay out everything that I've done for the most part to get to the point where I'm at now, which is 100% sovereign, completely self-employed, and able to sustain myself. I know that there's a lot of spiritual people that are wanting to open their business, start their business, or even grow their business, but they don't have the tools and resources and guidance to do so. In this workshop, like I said, I lay out step by step, for the most part, everything I've done to get to this point that anyone can follow. It just takes work. So if you're interested in learning from me and getting your business off the ground, go to sallyMyers.com, click on Spiritual Business Starter Workshop, and sign up today. Now, it starts in December. If you want to secure your spot, I suggest that you put your deposit down. I only have 25 slots available. At the time of this recording, we're about 20 slots remaining. So I suggest that you go over to sallyMyers.com today if you're interested and click on the workshop. Until next time, this has been Ali. Peace.